I got another package. Hold on. Alright, so I ordered like 4 pair of shoes. So I don't know if these ones for me or for my babies. But I see the Jordan thing. The Jordan logo. It look, you know. I bought a lot of pair of Jordans in my life. I done made some investments. God dang. Hold on. This package too good. Hold on. Y'all, okay. So as a fellow person who bought plenty of Jordans fresh out the store, I can tell y'all one thing. Yeah. I mean, the box is in really good condition. It's a size 7. So, it's for one of me and my daughters. But I don't know which one it is. So, let's see. Hold on. I'm going to open them. Let me see. Okay. This is how they look coming out the box. In a little bag. The box looks really good. Let's see. Okay. So far, so good. I got a pair of these in blue and black. We're going to compare some details, but, baby, look. Oh, I got to find something to wear with these in my. Hold on. Let me look at it more closely. Hold on. All right, y'all. So, yeah. I'm going to be wearing these tomorrow. So, I'm going to show y'all in my next video how I hook up both of these, that fine purse, and these ones right here. Let me go ahead and get me a wall started, a shoe wall. Because, baby, I'm ordering again. Okay?